Hello, this is Mr. Steigerwald, and we're taking notes on Lesson 2.6, Algebraic Proofs. The objective is use algebra to write two-column proofs. The second objective we are not going to be doing, we're actually going to be doing it next week. The first definition, deductive reasoning. It uses facts, rules, and definitions and properties to reach logical conclusions from given statements. Beep. Inductive reasoning is reasoning that uses a number of specific examples to arrive at a conclusion. Beep. Formal proof. It contains statements and reasons establishing something is true. An algebraic proof uses a group of algebraic steps, statements, to solve problems and to justify each step. Beep. Geometric proof. Statements and reasons used proving something is true while using a diagram. Beep. Two-column proofs. Contains a statement and a reason in two columns. Now draw this diagram here. When you do a two-column proof, this is going to be broken up in two columns, and you're going to have statements on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side of this diagram here, you're going to have reasons. Beep. Paragraph proof is an informal proof written in the form of a paragraph that explains why something is true. Beep. Now, here are the properties of equality. With the addition property of equality, if we have A equals B, then if we add C to both sides, we will have A plus C equals B plus C. With the subtraction property of equality, if we have A equals B, remember, whatever you do on one side, you do to the other. So we could subtract C from both sides, and we will get A minus C equals B minus C. With the multiplication property of equality, again, whatever we multiply to one side of the equation, we get to multiply it to the other side. So if A equals B, then A times C equals B times C. With the division property of equality, if A equals B, then we could go ahead and divide both sides by C, as long as C doesn't equal 0. Again, if A equals B and C doesn't equal 0, then A divided by C equals B divided by C. With the reflexive property of equality, this property here is A equals A. Beep. Symmetric property of equality. If we have A equals B, then B equals A. You're just switching whatever is on the right-hand side of the equation to the left-hand side, and the left-hand side to the right-hand side. You just switch. Transitive property of equality. This states if A equals B and B equals C, then we're going to have A equals C. Since A equals B and B equals C, our B is also equal to A. So what we're doing is just transferring this A right to B, because it's equal to B, and we'll have A equals C. It's kind of like taking this middleman out, the B, take the middleman out, and we just have A equals C. Substitution property of equality. If A equals B, then B can be substituted for A in any expression. Distributive property. A times the quantity B plus C will equal A times B plus A times C. Remember with the distributive property, We're taking this a and we're going to distribute it to both terms. This concludes the notes for section 2.6. Bye.